బాబు బంగారం
కానీ అంటే
అందులో కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. అందులో కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. మనం మాట్లాడేది రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే.
ఏం ఆప్షన్ ఇట్టవలేదో తెలియదు కానీ నేనైతే అది పెట్టుకున్నాను దాంట్లో. స్టార్ట్ ద క్లాస్ ప్లీజ్.
బీర్ తెచ్చుకుంటా.
నవీన్ గారికి చెప్ప మాకు.
ఏంటి
నా పార్ట్ టైం జాబ్ ఇప్పించరా, వారానికి 2 రోజులు చెప్తా. జిమ్ బాయ్ ఉన్నాడు రా ఇక్కడ. స్టార్ట్ ద క్లాస్.
సో సో Naren, like this, before proceeding, do you have any experience in DevOps or like knowing the basic things of DevOps, something like that, or where do you have any experience in any of these tools? First of all, do you have any IT experience?
ఉందా అడిగి?
Hello. Okay, fine. So, why I'm asking all these things is because if I go something near to the something like server or network, so you should be aware of the if you are part of IT industry, so you'll be aware of all these things. So that's why I'm just asking. Yeah. So DevOps. So what is DevOps? Okay. So, lot of people have this question. Means like what is the DevOps? What is the useful with the DevOps? Okay. So how the DevOps has been introduced? Okay. So without DevOps, how the things used to work before in IT industry. Now how the things are working. Okay. So we have lot of these questions. Okay. So in this first chapter, so we will be going all those things. Okay. So like if you ask like 10 people like what is the DevOps, okay, each and every person gives some different answer, right? So
If you say
one person says like DevOps is an one person says like DevOps is an tool, or some other people say some like some other conflict management tool, right? So each and every person gives a different answer. Okay. So but the exact answer what you can get in the Wikipedia. Okay. So what it says? So like DevOps is a software development method that does communication, collaboration, and integration between a software development and IT operation. What does it mean? So what does it mean is when you
ఎవరు పట్టగలరా?
like now DevOps
Data
is
has
like a
nature,
team, okay? It's not like any tool or something. It's just like a team. Okay. So like you are aware of something like development team, testing team, operation team in IT world, right? So you've been hearing all these words. Okay. So similarly, so how the development team, how the operation team we have, similarly we have a team like development team. So we have a team like DevOps team. Okay. So with the help of DevOps team, what we do is we automate our infrastructure. So infrastructure are nothing but building our servers, networks in the real time scenario. Okay. So like building all those things in real time scenario is called as infrastructure. Okay. So basically what we do is we have to manage that infrastructure. Okay. So managing infrastructure, doing the deployments, all those things we have to do. Okay, so now basically the thing is managing all these things is very difficult. Okay, so if the day by day, if the environment is keep on increasing, to manage all these things is very difficult. Okay, so to manage that, so basically what we are trying to do, so we use different kind of automation tools. Okay, so that is all. Okay, and moreover, so managing infrastructure in different ways is very difficult. Okay, so with the help of development team, operation team, what we do, so we manage those things and we make sure we completely automate the infrastructure. Okay, and moreover after the manage after automating infrastructure, what we do, we start deploying the code into the environments. So what? So like once you automate the infrastructure, so in that we have to deploy the code, right? So once the developer write the code, so what they do, they inform us. So once they inform us, we deploy code like see a small diagram which describes. We plan it. Okay, we deploy the code, build it, test it, and release it into production. Okay, so once they release, again deploy it, like again deploy into the production, and finally once you deploy, we start operating the environment and monitoring. Okay, so once you monitor the environment, again we get the feedback from the client, again plan, code, build, test. So this keep on a cycling process. What we do. Okay, so that is what DevOps. Like how it started, like a long back ago. Basically, whenever there is no automation tool, like development team and operation team used to manage different environments. Like development team used to manage the lower environments and operation team used to manage the higher environments. But after introduction of DevOps, what happened? So now they are not at all managing. So now everything is managed by us. Okay, so now everything we have to manage by our own. Okay, so around in 2007, in 2007, this movement started, and in 2009, like DevOps came into the
దగ్గర సిన్సియారిటీ ఉందిరా చదువులో చేసినప్పుడు పెంట పని చేసినా చదువుకుంటా బాగా తెలుసు
అంటే
లేదు లేదు అలాంటివి ఉండాలి సీరియస్
ఎందుకు పక్క దించమని చెప్తున్నావా?
కూర్చో నేనేం నాకు మైండ్ లేదు నా క్లాస్ అనేసరికి నాకు వాడు ఏంటంటే మెటీరియల్ అని పంపించాడు అవన్నీ
జావా జావా వీడియోలు ఎత్తా ఉంటారు మంచి ఎవరి దగ్గర తెప్పించాను ఎవరు
వాడు బాగానే చెప్తుండ్రా వాడు వాయిస్ కాకపోతే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది
వాయిస్ బాగోవాలరా బాబా, అంటే మనకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రావాలి.
ఏంద్రా వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు,
స్లైడ్ మార్చాడు. ఏంద్రీ హాయిలు కొట్టుకుంటావు అత్తమాటను?
ఏందో పాపం కాల్ ఏందో నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు.
ఇలాగైతే కోర్సు కంప్లీట్ అయినట్టే.
నేను చెప్పా అరే బాగాలేదురా డెవలప్, అది నీకు మామూలు కొత్త వాళ్ళు చెప్తే నేను అర్థం కాదురా, అది అర్థం కావటమంటే మొత్తం వస్తుంది కదా.
వచ్చాడు
థియరీ కదా ఎక్కువ. ఉన్నాయి టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ చూసాను నేను. ప్రాక్టికల్ టూల్స్ కాడికి వెళ్ళాడు.
ఏదైనా ఉందా?
Yeah, sorry. Hello?
యప్.
Hello? Yeah, sorry. We lost the power at my home. Okay, fine. You can hear me, right?
Whatever.
Okay, so like what I was saying, so in 2007, this particular revolution started. So like building the DevOps, like building the infrastructure, sort has been started. But in 2009, it has came into the life. Okay, so that is what history of DevOps. Okay, now, okay, so now how the DevOps will work. So what are the different day-to-day activities are now performing? Okay, I'll just completely explain in a diagrammatical way. Okay, now, so how the things will work previously, now the things are working after introduction of DevOps. Okay, so we'll go into two type of scenarios now. So first is, okay, so first is like commonly we'll have different type of environments. Okay, so like what is the environment? Okay, so what is the environment means? See, example, let us take something like Facebook. Okay, let us take an example of Facebook. Okay, now we have Facebook in real time scenario, right? So where a end user or a customer using lively over the internet, that particular part is called as production. Now example, now we are using in online, we are using Facebook, right? So which like over the internet we log in into the Facebook and we start using. So that kind of environment is called as production. Okay, which is using by the end user or customer. Okay, so before moving the things into production, see, we have different options. If you want to search any user, so what will go into the Facebook in search bar, you will type the user and search it. Okay, if you want to see the photos, go to the photo section and see it, right? So these are how things will work, right? So so before creating a production environment, so commonly what we do is we create a development environment.
మళ్ళీ వచ్చిందా? నాకెందుకు చెప్తా కట్టే 200.
Okay,
మరి ఎందుకు తెచ్చిచ్చారు?
so we create a development environment. In that environment, we create a okay. Basically, we create some different type of servers. Okay.
నువ్వు కూడా
Like we create some like web servers. Okay, application servers, database servers. So what are these things? Is to manage a product. Okay, so we require like the different type of servers. Okay, so to manage a bigger environment, so we require more servers. Okay, depend upon the client requirement, we create a development environment. So basically, development environment is for pure development. Okay, once you get a requirement from the client for the particular requirement, they start building the
మరి ఎక్కువ జాబ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు? ఏదో రికార్డు నేను చేస్తాను ఎప్పుడు.
okay. So now one day the building development environment. So what they do is, so if the code is
ఆలోచించుకుంటూ కూర్చుంటే అంతే పోతుంది.
చదవాలనుకున్నప్పుడు పని చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చదవాలనిపిస్తుంది, అప్పుడే
deployed
చదవాలి.
into their environment, so they used to promote it to the higher environment, something called SIT, System Integration Testing.
తెలిసిన విషయం ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నాడు.
Okay,
స్లైడ్ లో
here also similarly what they do, they create some different type of servers like web, application, database. Okay, and here they do. So here, that whatever the code developed by the developer, they deploy the code individually actually. in the development environment. Okay, so they deploy the code individually, like who is the developer develop the code. But coming to the SIT, so all the code at a time they move the code into the SIT. And once they deploy the code into the SIT, like system integration testing environment, so they check how the environment is behaving, how the integration is behaving, whether all the use cases are working fine or not. Use cases means like different options, like developer develops something, right? So what are the code they develop for the client requirement, whether that particular use case is working fine or not. They check that. So once they're done, okay, so they push the code into one environment called as pre-production. Okay, finally we have production. We'll have pre-production, production. Okay, so like pre-production means like production is the one, as I told you, which is a live environment or client or a other end user use. Okay, before moving the code into production, we have something called pre-production, which is similar kind of production. Okay, because production is largely involved, moreover, like clients are using. Like you may have a lot of client data. Okay, before deploying the code into production, sometimes your environment don't handle that. Okay, so to check that and before deploying into production, we create something similar kind of environment called pre-production. It will be similar to the production. Okay, so before moving the code into production, we deploy the code into the pre-production and check how the things are working. If things deploy successfully into pre-production, we deploy finally into production and we get the client feedback. How it is. Okay, so like this is how commonly in the IT world things work. Now see, before DevOps, like now previously like Devop and SAP used to manage the development team. Okay, and pre-production production used to manage with the operation team. There are different teams used to manage. So everything used to manually, and for every small thing, operation team used to depend on the development team for any issues. Okay, so and if the development team doesn't respond properly, the things used to be very delayed. Okay, so that is how previously things used to work. Okay, to avoid all those things, what they did is now they introduced the development team. So they introduced a team called DevOps. Okay, after introduction of DevOps, now how the thing will work is now we manage infrastructure to do the automation. Okay, so we manage the infrastructure to the automation tools. CM, configuration manuals, something called or Puppet. Okay, I'm going to teach you all these two things. And for continuous integration, we use Jenkins. Okay, so which is for software deployment, and we use Git. Okay, so Git is one which is for so we use Git. Okay, for storing all of. Okay, so where Git is for storing all of the code, whatever the code we develop in the infrastructure, right? So all our code we manage in the Git. Okay, for storing of the code. So why Git means it's a version control tool. So whatever the code we deploy, so everything is tracked in Git. So who deployed the code into Git and what time they deployed, each and everything is tagged here. Okay, so Jenkins is the one for software deployment, and Chef and Puppet any of this tool we use for managing our infrastructure, like for creating servers, deploying the applications inside the server, or upgrading or updating any file. And we use years. Okay, so Nagios is the one which is a module. Okay, if in any of this environment, if something is got down, so you cannot go and check manually, right? So instead of that, this monitoring tool will help us. If something is anywhere in any environment, if any server is down, okay, Nagios will inform us, saying like, okay, in this particular environment, this server is down, please go and check. So that we can come and check the issue. Okay, so that is the things. Okay, any doubts as of now? Okay, so now, now we have something Git and Jenkins. Okay, so this is like now chef is to manage the infrastructure. So now how you deploy the code with the help of Jenkins into all these environments. Okay, so something called continuous integration and continuous delivery. So what is the process? So like here we have something called continuous integration. So what is that is, okay, in Jenkins, as I told you, once you got a code, so once developer write a code, so what you do, you deploy the code into the development environment. Okay, so once you deploy the code into the development environment, so what you do is, here, whatever the developer write the code, that is, they write in the source, that code will be the source code. Okay, source code. So, but to deploy the code into the environment, into the servers means we require binary code because system works in the binary code. Remember that. Okay, so we have to convert the source code into the binary code, which is called as artifacts. So we have to convert the source code into artifacts. Okay. For convergence purpose, this build tools will help us. Okay, so in Jenkins, what we do is first thing, we create CI pipeline. Okay, we create CI pipeline. In that pipeline, first job, we create a build job. Okay, we create a build job. So using this build job, we convert the source code into the artifact, and once we got the artifact, what we do? We create a deployment job. Okay, so deployment job, once you got the artifact, whatever artifact you got it, we take the artifact and we deploy into the target servers. So as I told you, we have published database, right? So wherever you want to deploy, so depending upon the requirement, we deploy into the target server using the deployment job. So once you deploy, so we do the testing, like automation job with the. So automatically, so like what are the whether everything is working as expected or not, whether the deployment needs to occur or not. So we will check all those things. Okay, so this process is called as continuous integration, building, deploying, and testing. Okay, so once we done with continuous integration, what we do is we create one more pipe, then called continuous delivery. Okay, so in this continuous delivery, what we do is whatever the code we deploy into dev environment, we take that artifact, like whatever the deployed into dev environment, we take the artifact and deploy into SID. Okay. And lightly. Here we don't have build job because build job is only one-time activity, which is in dev environment. So once you come into the head environment, here we create deployment, and what is the artifact deployed into dev environment? We deploy it in SIT,
వచ్చేసి వస్తున్నారు
pre-production and production.
నేను లాంచ్ చెక్ చేసుకోలేదు పర్లేదు కదా.
Okay. So that is how things will work. So using these automation tools, okay, we deploy the into dev, SIT, pre-production, production. As I told you previously, like two environments used to manage development team, two operation team, right? So, but now these teams will have more access. Now everything is managed by the development team, like creating infrastructure, creating servers, adding users, or deploying the code. So whatever the action we perform, everything should be managed by the DevOps team. So why they have been done? Because as I told you previously, when operation used to manage the production, but every small issue they should depend on other team. Okay, so that's the reason they hired the DevOps team, so which is having the complete knowledge in all these areas so that they can work.
ఆ మెథడాలజీకి కొన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఆ మెథడాలజీని ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక వ్యక్తిగా తీసుకుని తన గ్రోత్ అసైన్ చేస్తున్నారు అంతే.
అదే డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే వాడు కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాడు. కానీ డెవలప్మెంట్ కంటే అదే కొంచెం పర్లేదు అని చెప్పేసి చాలా మంది అంటారు.
అవునా, కాకపోతే ఎవరిని అడిగితే రోజు చేంజ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్లీ అంతే. కాబట్టి మల్టిపుల్ వాటి మీద తనకు అవగాహన ఉంటుండాలి ఆ రోజుకి. ఆ డోర్ ఏదో వచ్చా కనపడలేదా నీకు ఇప్పుడు?
Yeah. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah. So do you have any questions? Okay. So you can see like continuous release, we have continuous okay, so yeah. So first thing, like consider. So we have different tools like we use Git, Nexus, Docker, Puppet, Angular, Dragon. So these are the different automation tools to manage your infrastructure, which I'm going to teach in the during the training classes. Okay. Okay. Like here, Chef is a Chef and Puppet, both are the configuration management tools. Jenkins is the continuous integration tool. Okay. So Git is the Git and Nexus is the version control tools. We're storing all the code. Nexus is for storing all our artifacts. As I told you, so in the Git we have source code, converting into artifact. So whatever artifact we generated, that we stored in the Nexus. And Docker and Dragon are the virtualization tools. Create the virtual servers. Okay, to create servers like Linux or Windows any servers, like these kind of servers, where you can create it free of cost using these tools. And finally, NAG is the monitoring tool, how to monitor sizes, all those things I'm going to teach you. Okay? So, like, these are the things which I am going to teach in the coming sessions. Okay. So basically, like that is about DevOps. Okay. So that is about chapter number 1. Okay. So here, if we speak about day-to-day activities, okay. So we have a lot of day-to-day activities which are performing. Okay. So like installation of servers. Okay. And like creating a network, storage blocks, adding into the servers. Okay. Monitoring of servers, respond to outages. Like creating servers and everything is we completely automate. Okay. We don't do this task manually. Okay. So monitoring of servers, like monitoring of servers is nothing but so if any server goes down, okay. So what we do is we start testing how to bring it up. Okay, so we can first of all we're gonna check like what is the service is down, anything is down. Okay, if we see any issues, calmly we bring it up. Okay, and IT security. So in any of this environment, okay, any issue related to security comes into picture, so you have to check it and you have to fix it on the spot. Okay, so managing the phone systems and networks, change control, backup and disaster recovery planning, manage active directory, asset tracking. So asset tracking is nothing but okay, as I told you, right, so we have different kind of environments, right? So in different kind of environments, we use a lot of applications, right? So in different environments, what all applications we are using, what all versions we are managing, everything is tracked under the asset tracking. Okay, so manage active directory, all the access related thing are managed in the active directory. In the active directory, like which team should have what level of access, okay, what permission they should have, okay. So whether they can have for this particular application, whether they can have access to this particular application or not. So managing all those things here. Okay. Next is change control. So change control, like whenever you deploy the code, how the like managing all these changes. Okay. So all these things are managed in the change control. Okay. So what we do is with the help of DevOps, we manage all these things. Okay. So these are the different activities which we perform in the real-time scenario. So this is all about DevOps. So any questions in DevOps? So after this, we see about cloud, right? In like day before yesterday session, we have seen like what's the cloud, all those things. Okay. Next session, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the chapter number 3 from tomorrow. So any questions here? So from chapter number 3, yes, it's all about. Okay, so like multitasking, but with the help of all the automation tools, we can reduce a lot of tasks. So where I'll show you from chapter number 3 how the automation we will be performing. Okay, first we'll start with the configuration management tool. We'll go with the Git, Jenkins, and Agios, one by one, step by step. Okay, so from tomorrow we'll start with the chapter number 3, and we'll see how to automate our infrastructure. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Narayan. So tomorrow we'll catch up and we'll get started with the chef. Okay. Yeah. Bye.